So far I came across about 3 different ways to run power to your roof. If you want to put your boom box up there or AC/DC, run some power, roof lights. Talk about it next. The most obvious and easiest way, just to drill a hole. Find the proper drill bit you need, the proper size, and run the wire on through using a grommet or a cable gland, like in this picture here. It'll prevent leaks. But if you're not crazy enough to drill a hole in your roof, then the second method would be to run a cable from the engine bay right up the side of your windshield to the boom box. And if you use this method, it's a clean, easy method. You can cover the wire using something like this. Because it comes ready to use, it's already 3M tape on there. You just run your wire through and stick it on the side of your windshield. You won't even be able to tell it's there. Alright, so for option number 3, probably the most professional way, but the hardest way for sure, is to run the wire through your roof rails. Definitely going to be the cleanest, most professional way to do things, but you will not believe what it requires. Because you have to remove the front seat, the rear seats, pillar, 3 of them, sun visor, assist handle, overhead console, room lamp, the ECM mirror connector, roof trim connector, the mounting clip for the roof, trim assembly, and then you take it all out through your tailgate once you get all the interior off, and then after that you have to still remove some bolts to get off the roof rails. So that's a lot of work just to put a boom box on the roof of your car. Personally, I'm going to skip option 1 and option 3. I'm going to use the second option and just use the side of my windshield. It'll just look like the weather stripping trim at the side of the windshield. It'll just look just like that, and no one will be able to even tell there's a wire there. Alright, so I hope you can get some AC/DC up on your roof if that's what you want, and I'll be working on this probably in the next few months. I'll post a video, let you know how I ran the wiring, and I'll see you then.